In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the something went wrong error on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log in to your account. If you are already logged in and see the error message, the first thing you should do is refresh the page. Many times, this error is just a temporary loading issue. If refreshing does not fix it, clear your browser, cache and cookies. In most browsers, you can do this by opening the browser menu, going to History or Privacy Settings, and selecting Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cached images and files, cookies, and site data. After clearing them, restart your browser and try opening Gumroad again. If the issue continues, try using another browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge. Browser extensions such as ad blockers or privacy tools can sometimes block Gumroad scripts, so temporarily disable extensions and test again. You should also check your internet connection to make sure it is stable. Another helpful fix is to log out of your Gumroad account and log back in again. If the error happens during checkout or publishing, double check your payment settings, product information, tax settings, browser permissions. Incomplete settings can sometimes trigger generic errors. You can also try opening Gumroad in an incognito or private browsing window to see if the issue is related to browser data. In most cases, the something went wrong error is temporary and gets fixed after clearing cache, refreshing, or signing in again. And that's how to fix the something went wrong error on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.